You don't deserve more. You're getting paid what you're worth. In this video, I'm going to give it to you straight. I'm going to tell you why your income right now is just a reflection of the marketplace, how you can increase the value you're bringing to the marketplace, and 5 steps you can take right now to start earning what you want to be earning. Working hard is just not enough. If you want to earn more, you have to focus on increasing the value you're bringing to the table. And let me explain how in 5 steps. Step 1, understand your current value. The first step is getting honest about your current economic value. Now, of course, your worth as a human being is indeed priceless. That's not what we're talking about. And really coming to terms with your economic worth is so difficult because so many of us are deluded about what our labor is actually worth. The key here is to have the courage to be totally honest with yourself. Fair warning, most people really don't have the ego strength to ask themselves these questions. If you want to make more money, you need to ask yourself these 3 questions. Number 1, what skills do you have? Number 2, how much are you being paid right now for those skills? And number 3, what are other people with the same skills getting paid now? This really will give you a baseline for where you're starting. For example, if you're making $15 an hour, it's because that's the value the market is placing on your work. That is what the market is determining your value is with regard to your skills. It's really not personal. It's business. But here's the good news. You can always increase your value. Don't wait for your boss or your company to really understand your true value and to start paying you more money. It doesn't work that way. If you want to get paid more, it's entirely up to you. If you want to get paid more, you need to become worth more. Step number 2, you need to invest in high value skills. Here's the key to making more money. One of the fastest ways to increase your income is by increasing your economic worth by learning high value skills. But here's the catch. High value skills may not be what you think it is or what you wish it was. And so many people get this wrong. High value skills aren't necessarily fun or popular. As a matter of fact, they tend to be more rare and much harder to attain. Quite simply, high value skills are those skills that businesses and customers are willing to pay a premium for. And they can be things like being good at sales, coding, digital marketing, or project management. Think of it like this. The more problems you can solve for people, the more valuable you become. And if you can solve big problems like helping a company grow its revenue, you're going to see your income grow too. Step 3, stop trading your time for money. If you want to get rich, you need to avoid this terrible mistake. Most people trade their time for money, be it an hourly wage or a salary. But wealthy people focus on value-based pay. This means getting paid for the results you bring, not just the hours you work. If you want to earn more, you have to think about how you can deliver results that truly matter to people. Can you negotiate some commission-based pay? Can you create a side hustle where you get paid for your output and not just the hours you're putting into it? These are the kind of shifts that can really multiply your income. Step 4, learn how to negotiate your worth. If you're afraid to do this one thing, you're going to be broke forever. And here's the ugly truth. No matter how much you think you're worth, or how unfair you think your boss or company is treating you, or what you think others should be doing for you, if you don't ask for more, you're not going to get it. Employers aren't just going to throw a bunch of money at you because you're a hard worker, or because you're doing better than your peers and colleagues. They should, but they're not going to. You really need to understand your worth, and you have to be willing to negotiate for it. So how can you get an honest assessment of what your time and labor is actually worth? Do your research. Find out what others in your field are earning. Come up with a good answer for why you should get paid more. And then practice your pitch. Remember, the worst thing they can do is say no and you keep getting paid what you've been paid. But the best, well, that could change your life forever. Step number 5, develop a side hustle or a passive income stream. This is one of the best strategies I know for making more money. If you're stuck in a low-paying job, a side hustle or passive income stream can be a real game changer. Start small. Maybe it's freelancing. Maybe it's selling a digital product. Or maybe it's creating content that generates ad revenue. Side hustles aren't just about extra income. They're about developing skills and potentially building a business that could replace your day job. It's one of the best ways that you can increase your value, and you can start doing it today. The world is constantly changing, and the mindset and the tools that were valuable yesterday may not be valuable tomorrow. That's why lifelong learning is so incredibly important. Stay curious, keep learning. The more adaptable you are, the more opportunities you'll find, and the more your income will grow. Remember, The mindset you need is that you are the one who's going to take control of your worth. Your income is just a reflection of your current marketplace value, but it doesn't have to stay that way. You have the power to increase your worth and to create a life of financial freedom. If you're ready to start earning more, hit the like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you care about. In the comments, tell me one skill that you're committed to learn that will increase your economic value. Remember, your economic value isn't set in stone. You can grow it, and when you do, the money will follow. Let's do this together. I'll see you next time.